What's up, everybody? It's Kosho sitting here with my Fusion 180, my NX10. I'm in the main menu of forward programming here. I'm gonna go into swash plate, and I want you guys to see some stuff here. When we're talking stability, we're into PIDs, and I'm gonna go down here into normal mode. You can see it changed normal on my screen here. You see how there's a P, which is proportional, that's 70, and integral is 70, and derivative is 7. The P is the stability, the I is the hold, and the 7 is the ability for it to snap back. It's like a shock absorber. And as you change into your different modes here, I've actually changed all my modes to be the same in roll. I turned up my stability basically in stunt 2. So as you can see in stunt 2 that I only fly in this helicopter, I'm at 70, 70, and 7, and 350 degrees per second roll rate. And then as we go back here, you have one for pitch also. Pitch meaning forward pitch, not collective pitch. So here you see my proportional, I bumped it up, I'm at 72, and the integral at 82, and derivative at 14. We're only going to play with flight mode 2 right now, because that's basically all I fly in. So let's see how locked in this helicopter is now, basically. I'm going to go ahead and go into hold mode when we get out of this. So as I go out of the main menu here, we're back into the forward programming menu. And then my main screen, reset the timer. And we're gonna get a little more stability out of the heli this time, basically. I like it stock, but this is what the PIDs are for. As you can see, the temperature has changed outside and there's a lot of different stuff going on. So when it's dry, it's different, and when it's cold, it's different. That's why you have the ability to tune it. So here's stunt 2. You can see how it sets now. It does not move. The same with my tail. I've locked the tail in pretty good. Yeah, it moves a little, but not bad. We can work on that. A stable little heli, that's for sure. Yo! Yo, I almost hit the bush and I got a blink. I have water in my eye. So, as you can see, the helicopter is pretty locked in, and so we can go into forward programming some more here. So all you do is just go forward program. You got all your little modes here. If you want to turn safe on, here's where you turn safe on. You can go into stability, and you can see that the hold is on there now. Flight mode 2, flight mode 1, normal. If you want to turn stability on, boom, stability's on. You want to turn it off, turn it off. I don't use it, so we're turning it off. Also the attitude trim, yeah, this is another one. If the stability is on, you can use this trim right here to keep the helicopter from drifting. Don't use the trim on the tabs, that's not correct. So use this trim. And there's also pitch trim too for this way. So roll. So all you out there that say my safe trim is not stable, well, trim it right there. That's how you do it. There's panic. I don't use panic, but it is set up. So all you people that want to set your servos and do all that jive, here's setup, swash plate, here's output. Look at that, sub trim, oh my god. There's their sub trims. You want to change channel 1. The servos layouts go channel 1 here in the back, then 2, then 3. So as you can see that here, there's servo 1, servo 2, servo 3. And servo 1 is basically this one right here on your passenger side. Servo 1, servo 2, servo 3. Just move them, you'll see, write down the number so you don't forget, and that's what you got to do. So anyway, we get out of sub trim. Just kind of showing you guys how this stuff works again. Your flight mode channel, it's on gear, so that's why in the channel selection of your radio you need to have it assigned flight mode switch to gear to get all this to work. So there you go. Main screen. Just fly it out a little bit, do a little more flying. And as you switch out of forward programming, you get a faster start, so you don't have to wait for that slow start. Oh, I almost hit myself. Oops. I just woke up, haven't even had my coffee yet. I took a few sips of it. Okay, the battery's cooked now, guys. And my alarm's going off. You can hear the battery alarm going off. But anyway, that's a little bit more on that. It's called the PID Looney Tunes. Tuning it